Hi everyone, it's Brenda with Happy Healthy Homemade, and today we're making a really simple red bean paste with the Instant Pot and Vitamix. This red bean paste is a great filling for treats like mochi, tangyuan, and red bean buns. I can't wait to show you. This red bean paste comes together very quickly. The first thing you're going to need is dried red beans. Now these are not kidney beans. They are an Asian red bean, also called adzuki or aduki beans. You're going to need 1 cup. Take that, rinse it, and add it to your Instant Pot. Add 2 cups of water. Make sure it's sealed. Now we're going to cook this on high for 35 minutes. Our red beans are now soft like a paste. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Let's give that a taste, just to make sure we got it right. This is the level of sweet that I like for my red bean paste. Just enough sugar to bring out the taste of the red bean without covering it up. You can always add more depending on what kind of filling you're going to use this for. I think it's easier to start with less and then incorporate more later. Things I like to consider when deciding how sweet to make this are how sweet I want the overall finished product to be and what it's going to go into. You're welcome to sweeten this to your taste. Now I'm going to transfer this to a Vitamix. It's already very soft right now, so if you want a chunky red bean paste, you could stop right here and skip the blending step. Here we go. I'm going to add a little bit of neutral oil. Now I'm putting this away in a storage container to use later. You do want to have an airtight container for this because the beans can dry out. This is such a beautiful, thick paste consistency with no effort at all. I love recipes that are this simple and easy to clean up. It's much more convenient to have the dried red beans in your pantry than it is to go all the way to the store just for red bean paste. There you have it, a beautiful red bean paste that you can whip up anytime using the Instant Pot and Vitamix. Let me know in the comments what you're gonna make with your red bean paste. For more recipes like this, ring the bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy!